Let's take a look at Portland's most accurate forecast. It is a KOIN 6
It
weather
is.
alert day, and I know in the Portland metro that air quality and that smoke is top of mind.
Yeah, it continues to tumble really for the rest of this evening. That's where the wildfire smoke is slowly starting to push its way back into parts of the I-5 corridor as that KOIN 6 weather alert takes us through the rest of the night tonight. But expected to see improvements as early as Friday as far as the smoke goes as mountain thunderstorms continue to develop. Here's a look from a couple of hours ago from outer space. The GOES 18 satellite depicting a lot of that wildfire smoke slowly kind of wafting its way back into parts of the Willamette Valley and even as far west as our shoreline as we continue to hold on to the sunny skies above that layer, helping to warm up the atmosphere to about 80 degrees out towards PDX. You can barely make out Mount Hood there off in the distance as the wildfire smoke continues to push its way through the Meadows area as a mixture of clouds and also the wildfire smoke works its way into places like the Oregon coast. So our air quality falling back in some locations to the moderate level, and this isn't necessarily as densely packed as far as the particulates go with the wildfire smoke as what we saw early last week, but nonetheless something we are keeping an extremely close eye on as temperatures get back up into the low to mid 80s for us here in the valley, 60s out along the coastlines. A few bubble up thunderstorms are developing over the Cascades of Washington. Not necessarily a sight we like to see. The rain, good news, but the lightning strikes could potentially start and spread brand new wildfires. That goes just the same for central sections of the state of Oregon. As a rumbler or two is a possibility for the remainder of this evening. Expected to see that dial itself back as we approach sunset before it intensifies yet again for tomorrow. And you'll notice that the Portland-Vancouver area likely steering clear of any of this activity all the way through Saturday as lightning strikes are our biggest threat of potentially starting and spreading new fires, all because the monsoonal flow. So a high pressure system over the southern Mississippi River Valley and a low out over the Pacific help draw in moisture to the Rocky Mountain states. But by the time that moisture arrives here, it's already rained itself out, just leaving behind the strength to produce lightning strikes. So that's why our fire weather danger dials are elevated for this evening. Expected to see improvements overnight as the lightning dies out, but then intensifies yet again, working our way into Friday afternoon and evening. So I've gone ahead and put these burn scar areas where active fires are burning to maybe see some raindrops fall overhead as we start the day off with cloud coverage here across the west, transition to some hazier conditions in the afternoon. Unfortunately, not seeing a lot of moisture develop out over the central and eastern sections of our state, so a lot of these thunderstorms likely going to be on the dry side of things. As a nice onshore flow is slowly going to help to kick back a lot of that wildfire smoke, working our way through the later half of the day on Friday and then eventually into Saturday. So improvements, they are on the horizon. So it's just strenuous outdoor activity for the sensitive groups that maybe should be on pause for the next couple of days. All as tonight we fall back to 61 degrees with increasing clouds, afternoon highs returning to the mid 80s here in the valley, 60s for the coast as we've gone ahead and killed those KOIN 6 weather alerts for the remainder of the week as temperatures really stabilize at where they should be for this time of year into low to mid 80s. Dry, sunny weather. It continues to add to the over 20 days without measurable rainfall here in Portland. So the haze is slowly going to start to fade out of our area tomorrow and into the weekend.
All right, so in the Portland metro, brief smoky stay.
Yeah.
It'll waft its way back out.
Absolutely so.
All right.